Hi friends, welcome back to Equine Pastime. Today, the weather has been pretty bad. We are in the middle of a multi-day snowstorm. But because we give Helga a daily medication for arthritis, we need to go to the barn today, even in a snowstorm. Plus, we need to go today to swap out her blanket for her heavier one because the temperature is going to drop. Last night we put on her lighter blanket because the temperature was not going to be too cold, but we wanted to try to keep her dry. And we also didn't want to put our heavier blanket on and have her get hot and sweaty with that blanket on. So we're going to swap out her blankets today.
Hi, oh look at you, you are so snowy and full of icicles.
Let's bring Helga in the barn and see if we can get some of those icicles off of her before we put her heavier blanket on. The snow is supposed to start up again this evening and the temperature is going to drop.
Hi. Hi, sweet girl.
Oh, just look at those icicles. We took her blanket off and brushed her, trying to get some of the loose hair off of her. She is currently shedding. So then she would be less itchy under her blanket. We also tried to brush some of the snow off of the hair on her legs. During this time, she also got a lot of carrot sticks to munch on and her daily pill for arthritis, which she happily takes hidden inside a treat. I started to try brushing out her mane for a little bit, but decided to stop and let it thaw more first. We took turns hand walking her for a bit, and before long, we were able to take our hands and break up the icicles underneath her cheeks. Her mane started to look better also, and when we were done with our walk, we were able to brush it out too. Then we put a warmer blanket on her and we led her back out into the paddock. Once we were outside of the barn, the audio got really poor because the wind noise was pretty bad at that point. After getting one more treat, she promptly walked a few steps, laid down, and rolled in the snow. We missed getting that on video, but we do have a picture of her here with snow all over her face, looking pretty proud of herself. Today, in this snowstorm, I am especially grateful that Greg and I are a team in this horsemanship journey. We both love Helga and we enjoy the work that goes into taking care of her. My fingers were getting cold, but my heart was full. Tonight, Katie, the barn owner, will be checking on all the horses, and I know Helga is in good hands, and we'll be back out here again tomorrow.